Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing the double shotgun challenge. Yeah, so technically any shotgun we can find, we use. Wait, David, you good?
No. Oh, yeah, I'm good.
David, you gotta use that shotgun now. You killed him with a pistol, but you gotta use that shotgun now. Now I gotta find a shotgun too, because, oh my god. I can't. David, is there a shotgun? No, dude.
I can use grenades, right?
Yeah. I think. I hope. Alright, I'm going. Wait, no way. Ah. Well, it's whatever, I mean. No, it's not whatever. We need to get a shotgun now or we're dead. Yeah, we're dead. I'm going Dusty the Pot.
Wait, Christian, can I use,
Yeah?
Christian,
What? Yeah?
can I use grenades?
Yeah. There's nothing else.
I found another shotgun.
Oh, I did too! I got a shotgun, let's go!
I'm gonna retake you.
This is gonna be kinda hard because it's like double pump where we can't. See, I wish I could pick up that AR. Yes, charge shotgun! Big pot. We're dead. Guys, this back bling, the smiley face on my back actually changes colors when I like open a chest or whatever. Look at that. His eyes just changed because I drank a shield potion. Oh, there's grenades over here, bro. I feel like this is close encounters, but it's not. Is there a chest? Or, yeah, see, look at my guys. Just turned yellow. Guys, in the last video, my game crashed around there, so I'm just gonna go around the bridge. I'm not going any further. Plus, how are we supposed to kill Mandalorian? We can't even use a sniper. Alright, please be, good shotgun. This is gonna be hard. I mean, I already got 2 shotguns, but when we get into battle, we're probably gonna realize how hard it actually is.
Christian, how much viewers do I have right now?
I don't know, I'm checking my stream right now.
23 viewers.
You got 3? I got 2.
Hold on, guys. I'm sorry I'm playing really weird now. I'm trying to...
Yeah, I'm playing really weird. Alright. Let's go, Deadeye? No, that's the other guy. No, that's whatever. Let's just go Cowboy Boy. That didn't make sense.
Oh, Christian, you have 2 viewers.
Yeah, I know. Oh, mythic chest! Please give me a shotgun. I swear, if you don't give me a shotgun. Oh. Here you go, dude. I can't believe that, bro. Look at that! We can't even use that. Wow. Supply drop, David. Let's go.
Okay, hold on.
We need to find people.
To the 2 people who are watching me. I'm trying to do 2 things at once and it's not really working.
Okay. Actually, I thought that broke. Please, shotgun. Why do we always get good loot when we're trying to do... Oh my god. People really be calling the lever a sniper or a shotgun though, just the way it reloads. No, bro, I can't find any shotguns. I think this is gonna be my only shotgun left, or my 2 only shotguns. Wait, hey, at least I get ammo. Some minis. People are gonna kill us and be like, what the heck is that guy doing? Throw that down now. David, yeah, I know about, but There's a golden scar I gotta leave behind. You know. Hold on, David.
There's 2 guys on me.
Hold on. I'll kill him with my double shotguns. I thought you were coming with me. I'm sorry. I'm coming. I'm coming, David. Don't worry. Here I come. I got 3 viewers. Thank you for watching, guys. Alright. Grenades out! Oh, that's far. Please, boom! And boom! I think I might be able to kill these guys. Guys, I think I might be able to kill them. Oh, shoot. No, no, no! Ah! Scared. Stop! You're just trying to stab me if I died. Oh my god, dude. What? It's so hard, dude. There's like that thing. There's that thing that... Oh. Oh, you didn't have much. You were a bot. No. What am I doing? Oh my god, dude. How much guys are here? Actually, though. Oh my god. If I lose, I die. Or I'm sad. There's more guys. What are you gonna do, huh? Let's go! Guys, we actually got it. Let's go, guys. Commando sniper. I'm sorry, I gotta leave you. Sorry. My heart is racing, guys. That was intense. It's intense. Okay, I'm gonna grab that. Give me all your mats. I'm gonna need them later.
Is there any spaces in it?
Oh my god, that was insane. Oh, sorry guys, my screen went green for my YouTube. Oh my god. Okay. David, did I get your reboot?
No.
No. That's bad. That's really bad. Because now I gotta do this solo.
So then, no caps?
I don't think I can win it. But
I can't find my camera.
I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try. Oh my god, that scared me.
Well, I can't find my channel when I search it up.
Why are you trying to look for your channel, David? I may have to stream every time I record.
Max Thunder 30.
I can't take that chest. Because I'm already max gold. And I gotta go, my gosh, I didn't realize. Oh my god, I'm dead. Wait, shocklers? Okay, here we go. Oh, I wish I kept sand tunneling. I am far, guys. I'm gonna have to use a bouncer. I can't believe I won that fight. That was intense. I said let's go before I even killed that man cake. You know, I'm gonna take these bandages because I might need them. Take a crystal. Only 2 bandages. Oh my god, there's people down there. Think I can go for him. Hopefully he's not sweat. I can't believe I just got hit by that bot. He's a bot. Oh, he can build, I mean. Why am I getting shot?
You survived so good.
What a bot! What? You guys see that 28 to the head? Alright, I need the mats. Now that guy with the lever is kind of scary because if he hits his shots, I might be dead. So, hey, Crystal, please reload this. I think he went back here, so I'm gonna go. Oh, oh, that scared me. Hold on. Behind or in front? I'm confused. Confusion. Oh, that literally. Yeah, buddy, you gotta run. Oh no, you don't. Oh god. Woo! He's a bot, but that was pretty cool.
Wait, can you type something in my chat?
Hey, there you go. 5 kills. Mostly bots, but I mean, we're doing it, guys. We're doing it. Oh! Where? Where was that? Where? Please tell me now. I need to know. Oh my god, I see him. I don't want to build. I gotta build. I gotta build. I don't. I got. He's a sweat? Oh. Oh. No. No. Oh. Give me that. I can't build, bro. I need to drop that. I don't want it. Okay, should I go down, David?
No, keep the high ground.
I think I can. David, I don't think. Oh! I just got sniped at. Where? Oh! From there. I gotta kill this guy. Let's go! Let's go. Alright, here we go. I already got 2 blue tacks, bro. Ah, darn it. Shoot! Oh, just, oh, he has a purple tack. Or a golden. I don't know. Probably because he completed his challenges. Okay, he's cracked. No! Build! I can't build, I swear, I couldn't. I'm dead. GG's. Dude, I couldn't build a wall there. I turned around to build and I couldn't. I swear I couldn't, bro. Well,